Are you ready to hire a property manager, or maybe you already have one? Stick around for more information on when is the best time to hire one and what that property manager should be doing for you. Hiring a property manager is a big deal. I knew in my personal situation when to do it because I'm a horrible property manager and it was not something I wanted to do. I'm too nice, I wanted to improve the property too much, I'm not detail oriented enough, I'm a bad record keeper, so hiring one was essential. It was one of the best decisions I ever made. So in my case, my skill set or lack of skill set required me to hire a property manager. The other reason that might be required to hire one is just sheer scale. Maybe you've gotten to a point and have enough units where it's no longer viable for you to manage your own properties. Conversely to that point, you may actually find when you have so many units that you actually need to bring property management back in place. It's just too expensive to keep your property manager around and you need to keep it in-house. Selecting a property manager should be a careful, deliberate decision. Just like hiring any other professional service, slow down, interview a few, and work with somebody who has a good track record and that you like. I've found that getting property manager recommendations from my brokers, other investors, other individuals in the industry is some of the best ways to get qualified, competent property managers. Ideally, the property manager that you select has a strong track record of customer service for not only you, the investor, but also to the tenant. You want your tenant to feel welcomed and supported as they move into your new units and live in those units. And they need to be able to execute a strong marketing plan to fill your vacancies quickly. They need to be able to manage your unit turns, so when a tenant turns over or moves out, they're able to change out the paint or do any upgrades quickly, efficiently, and inexpensively. They're there to help you manage your expenses, but also to identify any other additional income streams, whether that's laundry or garages or parking or pets. Whatever those other additional income streams you should be collecting are so important to your bottom line. They need to communicate effectively and consistently with you, like when you have leases expiring or new tenant applications or any repairs and maintenance requests. They also need to provide you with monthly, quarterly, and year-end reports. In the end, you might just be forced to hire one based on your sheer scale, or like me, have a lack of the skill set. Whatever your situation is, do your homework, interview a few, and make a decision. They really can make your life so much easier. Thanks for listening. If you found value with the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment or question below. We look forward to hearing from you and keeping you informed.